Someone wanted to kill police officers that have removed the gun. He's fighting with the police officers. He wanted to kill the police officers when they are telling him. They are telling him for him he wanted to fight. For him he wanted to fight. We told him we want. No. How can you point a gun? How can you open fire on our mother? Yes, sir.
Why can you open fire on me? How can you
No, you leave him. Why you opening fire on our boss? How can you open fire on our madam? We move with him. No, don't beat. Papa, we move. Move slowly. Move with our.
I'm not illegal.
Move. No. Why don't you want to shoot the police officer? Who are you? Madam, bring that gun. You open fire on madam. Who are you?